about to spray the wheels. This color scheme is gonna kill it. Going to kill it. How's it going, guys? So we're cleaning some wheels, and so we used 200 grit. No, we used 180, 160, and 220 grit so far.
Yeah.
But we just found that McGuire's will pretty much, I don't know what you call it.
A concoction.
Yeah, it's a wheel cleaner, so it's taking all the brake dust off for us. So we're about to hit it up. And like he said, welcome back to the channel. And you guys already know we're about to get busy working, so enjoy. All right, so Jeremiah brought you guys in and kind of explain what we're doing. So I'm hitting this with another coat of McGuire's wheel and tire cleaner, trying to help get some of this brake dust out. Easy for us to sand, but you guys are pretty much just gonna catch the process as we go along. Final prepping for paint, priming, painting, all 4 stages of it. And I said 4 stages because we picked up some brilliant black, has metallic flakes in it for the front of the wheels. Then we're gonna take everything off. Well, let me back up. Before we do the front, prime everything. Then this little strip on the inside. Can you zoom in real quick? Show them that. This strip is gonna have a 370Z silver on it. All right. Then the face and the rest of the inside, brilliant black. Take everything off, and then these, if you want to call them the spokes, in this section going around here, is gonna be can't remember the name of the pearl, but it's almost like a charcoal color, but it has diamond flakes in it, so it's gonna give a wheel a different look. All right. You know, anything I do on this channel is not ordinary. I'm not an ordinary guy. I don't do ordinary work. So just sit back, enjoy the rest of the video, and at the end, we'll show you the final product. Sanded them down. Came to the shop today. We didn't take the weights off last night, so we took them off. Carlos and Josh helped us finish cleaning them up. Sound like Jordan's here. Yeah, that sounds like George. So, yeah, we're gonna come back to this. There's a 240 outside.
Jeez.
Damn. So, back to what I was saying before. That nice car outside showed up. Cleaned them up last night, prepped them again today. Carlos about to prime them. We're gonna take them home, hit them with like 600, 800, bring them back tomorrow, and continue the process. getting the wheels done. So what we hit them with was a mix of a cherry pearl and Nismo red, and it gave us color. If you guys can see that, that's what we got. So now I'm gonna sand down the rest of the primer spots with 600 and wait for the get ready for the final coat of paint. Then the clear, that's where the surprise comes in. All right. Hope this scheme works out the way I'm envisioning it, but if not, okay, we're gonna roll with it. So, all right, let me get the sanding and get ready for when Carlos gets here. Well, the wheels are not completely finished, but that'll end this video. But all that's left to do is to clear the back part of the wheels, then I mount the tires, put them on the car. That's it. But hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, a real short one. Slowly get back into the groove. Thank you for those of you who hung on, had faith in me, knew I was coming back. But hey, I appreciate it. From Authority Designs, thank you so much. Especially the guys here at Print Out Works will be helping me out since my shoulder's messed up. All right.